Hey guys, welcome. So today we're talking about what the Kikoff Store sells. So this is a digital marketplace that offers financial education resources and subscription services specifically for Kikoff credit account users. So here's what you can buy here. Firstly, we have ebooks focused on building and managing credit. Online courses covering topics like budgeting, credit improvement, and financial literacy. Subscription renewals for your Kikoff credit account. Everything in the store is covered by your Kikoff credit line, so any purchase adds to your balance and monthly payment. It's designed to help you learn while you build credit. So, also why it exists. Kikoff aims to help users improve their credit scores through on-time payments and smart financial practices. The store is part of that mission. It lets you invest in your financial knowledge using the same credit account you're already building. Important considerations also, using your credit line in the store increases your balance and may raise your monthly payments. In short, the Kikoff Store sells educational content, ebooks and courses, and manages your subscription renewals, all funded via your Kikoff credit account. So that's pretty much the rundown of the prices. As you can see, we also have pricing for the subscriptions and premiums in here, starting from $5 to $35. That's pretty much the overview and review of this store. Hopefully guys, you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon.